Hello and welcome to this video. So today I want to share with you how I use a trading robot to allow me to trade up to 4, even 500,000 in trading capital without needing to be at the screen all day. So this bot that I use is a custom made bot. Now, if you want this bot and you want help or finding a bot or having a bot created for yourself, just like mine, with your own unique settings, with your own way of trading, anything like that, to make consistent profits with a prop firm, we can get instant funding. Just comment down below or send me a message on Telegram. Now, the way I have this set up is I've got a trading robot that trades for me on multiple different accounts. Now, all these accounts, I'm trading different pairs, so getting unique trades, and it's a unique customized bot that only trades the way I want to trade, not how anyone else trades. This system does use a little bit of martingale here and there. Now, if used correctly, you can make consistent profits month on month on multiple different accounts, and having the prospect of having to do challenges because you're doing instant funded accounts. Now, with these instant funded accounts, I currently have 400,000 and I'm aiming for 500,000 in funding. Now, when I get 500,000 in funding, I'm just going to keep rinsing and repeating and learning how I do this. Just make sure you comment down below, go into my Telegram, and I'll be showing you a little bit more in the next couple of videos on how I do this. And do as well is, if you really want to see the true potential of trading, is you don't want to be spending money on challenges after challenges. You want to get instant funded accounts that you can trade, make profit, and then rinse and repeat the process. Now, if you have a custom bot or you have a trading platform where you can create your own settings like I provide, you're going to be in a position where you're ahead of the game. You're not stuck in the cycle of getting challenges and not failing the challenges. Basically, you're going to be in a stage where you can still make profits on your platform accounts. And that's what I kind of teach in my trading groups. And that's what I teach you guys if you are willing to learn.